Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. Find us on the web at addisonriley.com or call us at 776-5009. I want to talk to you about the difference in perils. A peril is what hurts your home. Let's say it's a roof. Let's talk about that. Understand that you hire a roofer who understands the industry when you have an insurance claim. Don't just hire the average roofer out there. Let's talk about why. Insurance deductibles. So let's say you have a hurricane and it takes off part of your roof. Well, that makes sense. You're going to want to get it replaced. But what if your deductible is 2% of the value of your insured policy? That's right. If you've got a $500,000 value, you have a $10,000 deductible. So it's wind damage by a named storm, a named peril. Well, guess what? You've got $10,000 to fork out before the insurance does. Now, what happens if you have hail damage or tornado damage? Your deductible is the regular deductible, which is probably about $1,000. So I was in Stonebrook today where April 17th we had a hailstorm come through, Pace, Cantonment. And I looked at it and said, well, you don't have much wind damage, but guess what? You've got hail. Hail damage, file the claim as hail damage. Now you've got a $1,000 deductible, not a $10,000 deductible. Work with the right people, work with the people who are experts in the insurance industry. Give us a call, addisonriley.com, 776-5009.